5 lucrative niches that you should focus on in 2025 if you want to make money on YouTube. So many people, when they start their YouTube channels, they are not quite sure what to talk about. I am here to help you to at least make a decision, because maybe one of the 5 of the niches that I'm going to mention in this video may be something you have an interest in. And now this is an opportunity for you to execute it in your YouTube channel. What are these 5 lucrative niches that I am talking about? The first one is opening or starting a YouTube channel. Guys, you already know that I preach this on a daily basis on this channel. When you start a YouTube channel, I understand you're not quite sure where your feet are and you still have to find them. But here's a tip. Go into Google and search top 10 best YouTube niches that I can do. You can even go to what you call this ChatGPT or any other AI tool, and it will give you a list of niches that it will suggest for you to do. And I am telling you, one of them is going to be YouTube. The second one is personal branding and social media growth, including YouTube growth. Exactly what I do. You see, once again, YouTube makes it to the list twice. Why? Because it is a lucrative niche on YouTube and other social media platforms, because people are forever searching how to grow their YouTube channel, how to grow their TikTok page, how to grow their Instagram, how to grow their Facebook and Snapchat, etc. and so on. And if you've got the knowledge or at least the experience on how to grow these platforms, then you have a niche, personal branding niche, because that is where personal brands are built on social media platforms. The third, it is a cooking and baking niche, or together or separately, whichever way that tickles your fancy. You can just do a cooking niche, or you can do just a baking niche, or you can do a cooking and baking niche. They both are lucrative on YouTube. And the best part about this niche, it's not like it has the most money, but it's got the most views. And secondly, brands, they literally fall over you guys because they want to collaborate with you, and that's where you make the most money versus the cooking channel itself. Because the cooking channel, the CPM can range between $2.50 maybe up to $5 per 1,000 views. But the big money comes from brand deals and sponsors. And the best part about cooking and or baking niche is that it is evergreen. These videos will forever live on your YouTube channel. You know why? Because there will be a newly wedded wife who might want to learn how to cook stew, who might want to know how to bake a sponge cake. And there will always be new brides who may want to learn how to cook from scratch. And your videos will be right there to guide her through. And also is that it's a gift that keeps giving. You can write recipe books and sell them online. You can also do a cooking masterclass, or you can even do an entire digital course on cooking and baking. And then all these people that are interested in cooking, they are going to be all over your digital course. And we go to number 4, personal finance or finance. Anything that has to do with finance, that niche is the highest paying niche on YouTube. So if you are well versed with the finances, how to budget, how to save money, how to manage your money, make money online, those type of videos are popular on YouTube, and you could find yourself making hundreds of thousands of dollars, provided that you execute this niche very, very carefully and articulately and comprehensively. People are going to love you, and as a result, you'll find yourself making a lot of money from Google AdSense. Not only from Google AdSense, but you're also going to be making money with brand deals as well as sponsorships, where you can charge ludicrous amounts of money just so you can have an integration, or they can have an integration on your videos. Number 5, self-development niche. This niche is quite popular, and then you can come in with your self-development ideas and throw them in because people right now, they are looking at self-improvement. They are looking at how to set goals. They are looking at how to achieve these goals. They are looking at productivity. They are looking at writing a book. Others just want to be coached in life about some things that they feel like they don't know how to do, but they know what to do type of situation. And then you'll be right there to guide them. Again, this niche is also a gift that keeps giving, because you can create a digital coaching course. You can also create a self-improvement or self-development book in a digital form and sell it online. All that you have to do is put yourself out there. That is the best way of building your personal brand, so that these companies and other people that are interested in this type of thing, they can come and invite you, and then you can charge them nice money. Then I have two bonus niches. The first one, it is true crime. True crime niche is extremely popular on YouTube. So for some reason, people are into, I don't know how to say it without YouTube goes flagging me, but stuff that are a little bit weird about people who unalive other people in the most unthinkable ways. And if you have that knack for such content, then you are in the right place here on YouTube, and your YouTube channel is not going to take that long to grow. Why? Because people are interested in this type of niche. Only thing that people are looking for is the way you tell that story. So you got to be very interesting, captivating, as well as the stories that you choose must be in such a way that it leaves the viewer going, was that done by a human being to another? Then you will see growth. And the second bonus niche that I would like to throw at you is a very popular one, vlog. People like living vicariously through other people. Sometimes people, they use this as an escapism. And you come with these interesting vlogs, and then they'll be stuck on your channel, and you'll be making money out of the amount of views that you are going to be garnering per vlog. So it's a very great opportunity as well to put yourself out there for like brands and fashion brands and sponsorships and collaborations with big fashion houses and things like that. Sometimes even companies that create house utensils and house equipment and things like that. Unfortunately, aesthetic vlogs, I believe they're quite expensive to run, because you always have to have money to get something new, something to show off, because at the end of the day, you are not only showing your viewers your lifestyle, but you are also marketing yourself to brands and sponsors, because that's where you make the bulk of your money. Your videos can be your passive income as well.